I think yeah. So the issue here is if I here I'm on lead form list, and if I open any existing form and I'm going to update the name of this form. If I perform save and add new, it takes me to the new add new lead form, and if I close this, uh, the name is not getting updated in the list. So we have to refresh the list to get that updated name. Yeah, this happens for I mean when user clicks on save and add new. If I do save and close or save, it is getting updated. So I think on these two actions we are refreshing the page, but on save and add new we are not. So that's the issue. Thank you.